What is the purpose of your presentation or your speech? You got to have absolute clarity on this. Unless you're not clear on this, your audience is going to be confused and lost, and they will not resonate with your message, and they will not take the action that you want them to take. So there are only three reasons why we do public speaking: to influence, to persuade, to educate better. That's it. There's no other reason. Sometimes people make this mistake, they make it too much about themselves, and the audience get bored. They wonder why you're telling so many unnecessary stories, like your childhood, where you studied, what are the challenges you face in your life. If it is not relevant to your topic, it shouldn't be in the speech. That's it. The goal is to add value to people. Goal is to share something that you know that will be of value to them. How can it help them to solve their problem? It's all about the audience, it's not about you. So this is the technique that I recommend. Always reverse engineer your talk. What are 2 3 top key takeaways you want for your audience? What do you want them to remember? That's the most important thing. Once you have clarity on that, then think about the stories, then think about what are the research data you can share to make your point. And most of the time, people are rambling and they're talking about themselves. It sounds like a therapy session. Not a great idea. Make it about your audience. So let's look at it from a stand up comedy perspective. So there is something called premise. Premise is in which direction it is going. Like, is it about empowerment? Is it about resilience? Is it about confidence? Is it about business? So that's called broader picture, which is called premise. Everybody should understand what is the premise, and you should set it as fast as you can that this is the main thing we want to talk about. Then comes the setup. And setup is all about the stories that you tell in a way you tell, and that sets the scene for the core message. After that, you tell the stories, and then comes the punchline. Punchline is that your tagline, the important message, the keywords you want them to remember, and this is where you put the emphasis so that they can repeat it. They go home and tell it to other people. Man, this is what I heard. So every story need to have one punchline, one key line, one solid message that is repeatable. And like that, if you have 3 core messages, you have nailed your presentation. Sometimes there is a blurry line when people make presentation like 20 points. Nobody remembers 20 points. If you make a presentation and there are a bunch of things to explain, maybe it's generated from ChatGPT. Hey, here's my 30-step plan how to become a great communicator. Believe it or not, none of the people in your audience are going to remember, because this is how human brain works. 1, 2, 3. After 3, everything you say is considered many, and nobody remembers many things. So make it max 3 in one presentation. In one keynote speech, we talk about only 4 concepts. That's it. Rest, opening, and closing Q&A, it goes to 1 hour. But in 10 minutes, 1 point, 1 story, and we cement that idea from different angles. If you have done that, you are an effective communicator. So remember, what is the purpose of your speech? What do you want to happen after you have delivered your speech? What do you want people to do? What do you want them to feel? Based on that, have 2 3 core messages, look for the stories in your brain, and then craft your speeches.